NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 4. The distance between the points 0, 5 and minus 5, 0 is option A 5, option B 5 times root 2, option C 2 times root 5, option D 10. Let us find the answer. Let us draw the given points on a graph. 0, 5 is on the y-axis and minus 5, 0 on the x-axis. Given points x1, y1 is equal to 0, 5 and x2, y2 is equal to minus 5, 0. We need to find the distance between these 2 points. And what is the distance formula? The distance between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is d is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us substitute the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the formula. D is equal to root over x2 is minus 5 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 5 whole square. That is equal to root over 5 square plus 5 square. We can write it as root over 2 times 5 square. Let us take 5 out of the root. It becomes 5 times root 2. Distance between the 2 points is 5 times root 2 units. From the given options, option B 5 times root 2 is the right answer. Therefore, the distance between the points 0, 5 and minus 5, 0 is option B 5 times root 2 units.